Hello there, and in this video we are taking the Pythagorean theorem one step farther. So let's say we have a three-dimensional shape. This is a rectangular prism, right? Well, if we want to find the diagonal of the entire shape, so from the top to the bottom, we'd use the Pythagorean theorem, right? But before you can find that, you actually have to find this Pythagorean theorem, which is the base of the bottom. Because you have to see this triangle, the diagonal plus the diagonal of the bottom and the height of the box. That will give you the right triangle that you're looking for. So now that we know our goal is to find the red diagonal line, let's start by finding first the blue. So treat this like a regular right triangle. So I'm gonna draw it out right here. That looks something like this, where one side is 2 and one side is 3. What is the blue diagonal? Let's go ahead and find out. First thing, label your sides A, B, and C. Remember, C, the hypotenuse, is always directly opposite from the right angle. Go ahead and apply your formula. You've done this multiple times, so we're just gonna go through this quickly. A squared, so that's 2 squared plus B, 3 squared equals C squared. 4 plus 9 equals C squared. That's 13 equals C squared, so that means the square root of 13 equals C. The square root of 13 is not a perfect square, but that's fine. We're going to use that anyway. Now let's take this red, blue, and black triangle and draw it out on the side. So we have our side. It looks something like this, right? Where the base, the blue, is 13. We don't know the hypotenuse, and the length we actually do know. See how this side is 6? This height is also 6. Okay. Go ahead and label your sides A, B, and C. Apply the formula. Pay attention to this part because this is awesome. Remember how a square and a square root cancel each other out? That happens here. This square and the square root cancel, so you're actually just left with 13 plus 36 equals C squared. Combine like terms. All for C. So 7 is actually the length of this diagonal. I know that was a lot of steps put into one video, but you actually already know how to do all of this. Your first step is to find the base of the blue triangle here. Okay, once you have this number, that is the base for the big red triangle, right? And just remember, a square and a square root cancel just to become whatever number is inside that radical. Simplify, you've got this, good luck.